Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. She will be assisted by Vice President and Vice Chairman Noli Di Castro, Muntinlupa City Mayor Aldrin San Pedro, Muntinlupa City Law District Representative Ruki Piazza, at yung mga miyembro po ng Kongreso at Senado, at ilang opisyales ng ibang ahensya ng ating pamahalaan.
Mutual fund and for other purposes. Special credit on the part of the Senate. The measure is principally authored and sponsored on urban development, planning, and housing resettlement. And Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, along with Senator Edgardo Angara and Senator Rodolfo Biaso. On the part of the House of Representatives, the